In this video, I'll show you what supplies we carry with us to make sure that we get home safely. A couple of months ago, we saw a video where a guy had an electrical problem with his vehicle and it burned to the ground. He was able to safely get out, but it made us start thinking, what if we had to abandon our vehicle? What if it wasn't available to us? How would we get home safely? That led to us creating 2 Get Home bags that hang on the back of our seats so that if something were to happen and we needed to get out in a hurry and get home safely, we just grab these 2 bags and we'll have everything we need for at least 4 days so we can walk out. Now this is my bag. It's identical to the one that my wife carries, except I have a couple of extra items that we don't need 2 of. And she's smaller than I am and probably shouldn't be carrying as much weight. So we've agreed that as we consume the contents of the packs, we'll start with consuming what's in hers. First, we each carry a pair of walking sticks. These are very important to make it easier for us to walk out, but also provide the supports to build shelters. One of the 2 extra items that I carry is this small rocket stove. Now I've tested this stove with 3 charcoal briquettes. It will boil easily a liter of water in about 3 to 4 minutes. I also found a 1 1/4 liter aluminum pot that the stove fits into so that I have a vessel to cook in. Next, we have a Sawyer 1 liter water filtration kit. We each carry 4 liters of water. This is because we frequently visit areas where filterable water is not readily available. The Sawyer Filtration Kit conveniently mates with the screw tops for these water bottles. We each carry a heavy knit blaze orange watch cap because it's really important to keep your head warm in cold weather, and you never know if you might be in an active hunting area. I carry a fairly comprehensive first aid kit, and my wife carries a smaller kit just for minor injuries. We each carry 2 fuel packs for the stove that includes 6 matchlight charcoal briquettes and 6 petroleum jelly impregnated cotton balls, which can easily be lit with a ferro rod. We each carry 2 food packets, which includes meals, snacks, candy, everything that 2 people would need for 1 day. 1 pair of heavy wool socks. Another packet of stove fuel and 2 more liters of water. A stainless steel cup with folding handle. I use the MOLLE attachment points to add a pouch that contains a 10-foot by 8-foot waterproof ripstop lightweight nylon tarp that we can use to construct shelters. I also have 30 feet of paracord and some tent stakes and 125 yards of 100-pound micro cord. Now let's take a look in the side pockets. On the right-hand side, I have 20 yards of 500-pound test Dyneema braided cord and 2 mylar sheets or space blankets. On the left-hand side, I have a titanium eating utensil, a heavy-duty contractor barrel liner or trash bag, and a package of gum. In the convenient pouch on the top of the pack, we place the items that we thought we would need to get to the most often. These are our fire starting supplies, a very sharp folding knife, a survival tools kit thingy, fishing hooks and such, and a compass, and finally a couple of very large all cotton bandanas. So there you have our Overlanding Get Home Bag. There's a couple of things that we still want to add, gloves for example. And yes, I know there's no flashlights, but I'm old. I grew up in an era where we went camping all the time and we never took flashlights because we didn't need them. If you have questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Do not forget to subscribe. You don't want to miss the upcoming episodes that we have. And as always, until next time, arrive safe and leave clean. Cheers.